Yes, I am ready. I have an unboxing. I love to get presents in the mail. So here we go. And this one is from Lennox Lights. And I know what that means. Candles. Candles. Yes. Okay, so let's get started. Just going to open this right up. And we are going to see. First thing it says is thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let's see. The first one is Lennox Lights Black Currant and Jasmine. So I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the camera. There we go. We got to get it straight on. There we go. Yep. So let's see. Oh my gosh. The scents that are coming out of this box right now is like amazing, amazing. Oh my God. Let me see. Okay, so just get the candle off and let's see. Oh my God. This this is amazing. Let me take. Woo! Let's get that out in the air. Yeah. I love my candle. Yep, and it has a nice fragrance. Lennox lights are made from soy. It's not overpowering. I have had candles that I put this close and inhale and it makes me sneeze. I'm all clear. So this one gets a thumbs up from me. Okay, so as you know, Lennox Lights was started for our sister YouTuber Vern's junk closet, her grandson, who has Dravet syndrome, and it causes him to have seizures. And they started the candles as a way to help them fund getting a service dog that would let them know when the baby's about to get a seizure. So please like and support them. I'll put their link down in the comments below. Definitely for a good cause. Let's see what else I have in here. Let's see. Peachy cocoa butter cashmere. Okay. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can smell the cocoa butter already. Oh, this one is like sweet, sweet, I tell you. Oh yeah. This one's going in my bedroom. Okay, don't be saying nothing. Okay. Yes, these are wax melts, and there are 6 of them in the container. And yeah, I have a nice wax melt machine that I use as well. And I see I got a little extra surprise in here. Yes, I did. I got an extra surprise. So let's just take a look and see what that's all about. Let me see. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Let me see. Moonlight Seas. And that's another little votive candle. I can't even get it out. That's a ooh, little bit spicy, but doesn't make me sneeze. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's great. Yep. I'll find a place for that. Don't worry. I may be ordering that one. Let's see what's this one is another votive candle, and this one is Mulled cider or cedar. So, mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you can smell it. Mm-hmm. That cedar is nice. So, yep. So I made out great. I got two extra. I got my blue, blue, my black currant and jasmine. Absolutely love this. Absolutely was my first choice when I went on the site. And then also my peachy cocoa butter and cashmere. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You guys, listen, this is for a great cause. Please go over to lennoxlights.com and order the candles. They're not expensive at all. I'm not going to quote prices because prices could change between the time I order and they post. So I'm not going to quote prices, but I'm going to tell you that they are very affordable. So go over and help support Lennox Lights and help them get their service dog. Thank you. See you next time in the next unboxing. Bye. Have
Please support Lennox Lights. Let's take care of the baby. Thank you.